You won't believe how much your peppers will grow after this natural supplement. A powerful, yet simple formula hidden in your kitchen can make a huge difference in the growth and health of your plant. But before we reveal the secret, write to us in the comments. Do you grow peppers? Just write yes or no if you are a fan of natural growing and healthy fruits. Stay with us until the end because a simple, yet extremely effective recipe awaits you that will help your peppers be strong, healthy, and full of fruits. You will find out why organic nutrition is so important right now. Peppers are sensitive plants that require good care and fertile soil. If they don't get enough nutrients, their growth slows down, the leaves become pale, and the fruits are small and tasteless. Many use expensive artificial fertilizers that are harmful to plants, but natural solutions often give longer lasting and better results. Organic nutrition not only nourishes the plant, but also improves the soil and protects the peppers from diseases and pests. And the best thing, you don't have to buy anything special. What you already have in your kitchen is enough. If you find this topic interesting and you like practical tips from the garden, click like, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with your friends. Thank you for supporting our work. And now, the big moment. Here is the recipe for the best natural seasoning for peppers with baking soda. You need 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 liter of lukewarm water. Stir well so that the baking soda is completely dissolved and the mixture is combined. Water the peppers with this solution every 15 days directly at the root of the plant, preferably in the morning or evening. Baking soda helps balance the pH value of the soil, prevents fungal diseases, and also strengthens the plant from the inside. The result is healthy, strong peppers that bear abundant fruit. Write in the comments whether you have already used baking soda in the garden and what results you had. And don't forget, share this video with your friends and on social networks. Let them discover this powerful secret from the kitchen too. See you soon in a new video with more useful tricks for your garden.